used to suffer from severe water pollution caused by infrastructure, which dismissal issue concerns among residents and environmental update. For the latest update, we now go into our field reporter, Antoinette Bantelan. Antoinette, what is the situation there?
Thank you, News Anchor. I am here live at river where water pollution continues to affect both the environment and the people living nearby. To better understand the situation, let's hear from one of the residents. Evening, ma'am. Can you tell us what you have observed about the condition of the river? The river has become very dirty because many residents throw their garbage into the water. There are plastic bottles, plastic bags, and other kinds of waste floating everything. We are worried bad smell is getting worse. It affects our health. How has this problem affected your community? It affects our daily lives. The polluted river harms fish and other aquatic animals, and we are yet concerned that contaminated water could spread disease. We hope everyone will help keep our river clean. What message would you like to share with the public? I encourage everyone to throw garbage in proper bins, reduce the use of plastic, and work together to protect our rivers. Keeping the environment clean is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for keeping your true mom. Residents are hoping that through compassion and responsible water disposal, the river can be sustained and protected for future generations. Reporting live from Staka River, this is Antoinette Bantilan, Staka Integrated News.
Thank you, Antoinette, for that report. Water pollution represents a serious environmental issue that affects the cooperation of every home by providing proper waste disposal, reducing plastic use, and participating in community clean-up activities. We can help protect our rivers and ensure a cleaner and healthier environment for future generations. And those are the latest update on today's environmental report. Thank you for watching. I am Jeremy Tornoiva, Staka Integrated News. Good evening.